As per usual when visiting Italy, eating kilos of gelato, the Italian-styled ice cream, is something that should be on top of your list. Are you going to Lake Como? Then Bellagio, the Pearl of Lake Como, is one of these must-visit villages alongside the shores of the lake. Here, at Gelateria del Borgo, you can sample some of the best gelato that's on offer in the area. By the way, the Italian word for ice cream shop is gelateria. Different from regular ice cream, gelato contains more milk rather than cream and less air is whipped into it. The result is a much more dense and rich flavor. Gelato is also served at a slightly warmer temperature, giving it a more smooth and creamy texture. But be aware, it melts quickly, especially if you visit summertime. Prices are reasonable, even when considering inflation. I'll show you these later in the episode, but now watch me enjoy this gelato. Oh, by the way, my name is David. I'm in Bellagio at Lake Como in northern Italy, 1 hour outside Milan. Gelato, and I've heard that this gelateria is one of the most popular around here. So the flavors I have here is pistachio, and then I want the limone. And the nougat, yes. So, the pistachio. You should always choose the pistachio when you go to Italy and eat gelato. Pistachio can't go wrong. Okay, it's melting right now, so let's try the limone. Yeah, that's a good limone. So the limone is more like sorbet than the creamy, rich gelato. Okay, so let's try the third flavor here. So here we have the nougat, and it's very creamy. Wow. Wow. That nut flavor is just perfect. So the price for this cup with 3 flavors is €3. Adding a little bit crunch to the gelato. That was gelato from beautiful Bellagio at Lake Como. If you need your gelato fix in Bellagio, my recommendation is Gelateria del Borgo for amazing gelato. So that was it for this episode, my friends.